Alright, what's up, man? Welcome to my channel, Chewy's Place. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a michelada. Bomb ass shit. First things first. Give you a little towel, right? Cause all this fucking coronavirus shit. What you do, man? Got some of this. Kills 99%. Okay? Clean your shit up. Clean off real good. Works. First you get some of these. You want to go outside. Okay? They work. It's not going to save you from getting it. But there's some other people that spit or whatever. They sneeze in front of you and then cover their mouth ever, you know? As long as you wash your hands and don't touch your eyes or your mouth, because that's where the shit goes in through. Go outside, touch something, have your gloves. Bam, any rubber gloves. Disposable, you know, get rid of them. Throw them away. Important, really important. And from around the house, you know, you touch your stuff. Get some of these. Don't throw them in the toilet, man. It's all these people throw them in the toilet. I don't know why. What the fuck, you know? I mean, sorry. Yeah, but first things first. I'm going to show you how to make a michelada, man. Get a beer, clean it off, because the virus is on the corona. Alright, make sure you don't get that. Clean it off good. Alright. Get some. Throw it away. You already washed your hands and all that, but get some lemon, eh? Go with that stuff. You know, you cut it. Alright, with style. One of these. Put aside that you need one of these. Get one of these. Bam. Love these. Throw it in here. You don't know what this is? It's a limon chingadero. Right? You squeeze it in. Bam. Bam. Alright. Dump it. Your trash can next to you. Put it right here. Next one. Same thing. Mismo pedo. Lo echas. Sauce, compa. Alright. Dump it in. To the side. A little bit of salt. Have your shit organized, you know what I mean? Everything organized. Alright, you need some salad. Got different kind of these. Some Valentina powders. Got some Tapatio powders. Check them out. Got some of these. Some of that. Need some pepper. And shit. Guess what? I don't got clamato. That's the main thing ingredient, man. But fuck it, we'll do it like this. And I gotta go to the store, but it's already late. I want to get all geared up, my mask and everything. Damn. Anyways, so you put your lemon in. Put some salecita. Dale con aquel vato, mira. Sauce. Alright. Depends on how much you like. See this? Tapatio on the powder. Oh yeah. Grab a little bit of this. Alright. Bam. Some on the side, I'll leave it right here so you can see it. Some of this if you want. This one has like lemon, tastes like lime, and chile. This one's just chile, seasoning. Some pepper. Alright, just a little bit. And got some tapatio or some Valentina. Depends what you like. I rather use tapatio. Alright. They're not sponsoring me, it's all me. Alright. This right here is what makes it kick. Gives it that fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you don't like hot sauce, put 1 or 2. I like that shit to burn. Can we clean it up? Close it up. Alright. That's tu cervecita. Alright, watch out. Kick back right here. Style right. You want to make it pop. Make that beer pop when it falls. Alright? That's what gives it that crispy, that taste. When it makes it pop, it just activates the beer. You guys didn't know that, all you beer drinkers. Alright? Make sure it pops. Hear that? Pop. Pop. But don't make the spuma. Put the fucking foam on the side. Alright? That little pop is what makes it crisp. And once you get good at it, 1 beer fits one whole cup. Ooh, makes my mouth go wild. Man, it would have been badass if we had the clamato, but the rest of it. Alright. Get your little chinadero. I can't find shit today. This will work, man. You can do it with your finger. You know. Nice and smooth. Don't fucking get all crazy because it spilled all over. You don't want to spill this right now. Yeah, goodbye. Shit fucking bad all night. Ready for this? Hell yeah. I recommend it. Try it out. Check out my next videos. Tell me what you like.